Hey everyone, today we'll see how to deploy a chat application using Google. Starting from a development workspace, we will configure the assistant's capabilities, define what knowledge it can access, set deployment options, and publish it for the end users. So once the assistant has been developed and tested inside a workspace, it's ready to be deployed. Google guides this process through a step-by-step deployment wizard. So if I click here on deploy, this allows the developers to review every aspect of the application before publishing. So the first step is to define the assistant's data scope. So developers can choose exactly which datasets should be available to the deployed application. This ensures that the assistant only has access to the information relevant for its intended users. So I can select or deselect any of these tables. So I've already selected these, the ones I require for this particular use case, and I can move to next. In the next step, developers can configure the assistant's capabilities. Optional agents such as web search or document retrieval can be enabled depending on the application's requirement. So here I can just go ahead and deselect web search because I don't need this in the capability for this particular use case. And if I expand the data analysis agent again, here also I can deselect web search. Everything else looks good. Let's move to the next. So now there is this additional knowledge components such as few short examples, business concepts, which basically allow the assistant to inherit domain-specific guidance and business context from the workspace. So if these are concepts which I require in this particular chat application, then I can select these. Otherwise, I can just let these be. Same for business concepts. If I require these, I can just simply select some of these and move on to the next step. Right now, I do not have any dashboards created, so it's not showing up here. But if you have any dashboards, so you can select them as well, uh, so they can be consumed by the end users. Then we have the serving options section, where you give a name to the chat application. You can toggle these configurations like enable sharing, which allows users to share conversation links, enable download. Some of these have been enabled already. If you want, you can disable these as per your requirements. And I think this looks good. I can move ahead and click next. Now, this is the scheduling part. So deployment schedules can also be configured independently of the development workspace. This allows the deployed application to stay synchronized with the latest approved content while following its own update schedule. So I can simply just uh, enable these, and if I want it on a daily basis or weekly basis, or maybe whatever frequency I require, I can just select it, select the time, and click next. So before publishing, Intune presents a complete review of the changes included in this deployment. Developers can inspect additions, removals, and updates to verify exactly what will be published. So once the deployment has been reviewed, the application is ready to be published. We can hit publish here. But as my chat app is already published, so I won't be publishing it. So I won't be publishing it right now. So let's just close this. So now we can just go over here, and this is where the chat app will appear. You can just click on it and it'll take you to the deployed app. So, but before sharing the application, organizations can customize the user experience to match their brand. They can customize the greetings, logos, themes, fonts, and also the suggested prompts. Uh, all of this can be configured without modifying the assistant itself. So this allows every deployed application to reflect the organization's identity while preserving the underlying capabilities. So what we can do is simply click on settings here. And as you can see, we have options to change the theme. So if I just click here, I can change the theme of how the chat app is going to look like. Let's go back to this. I can change the greeting as well, maybe turn it on or off. I can change the font style, font size. I can add my own logo, which I have already done. I can change the avatar. I can also put a support mail to which users can reach out to, and so on. So once you've edited it as per your needs, you can go ahead and save it. So Intuitive streamlines this whole journey from development to production. Developers define the assistant's knowledge, capabilities, deployment settings, and user experience, while business users receive a secure, branded conversational application that's ready to use from day one. So that'll be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.